What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today we're here to make a video about am I getting the Pixel 3, and we're going to be talking about if I'm getting the Pixel 3 just like that base model or the Pixel 3 XL. And I want to do a video about this because this is going to be the pre-order here, and this is what the channel's all about. That's why it's called Pixels Cracked. We talk about the Pixelbook and the Pixel phones, but we also do more than that. We talk about other tech and other Android stuff and other Chrome OS, Chromebook stuff, that kind of thing. But this is specifically about the Pixel phone. And I wanted to do this video because that's what's going on lately. Everyone's wondering, are you gonna buy the phone, and which phone are you gonna buy and why? And I wanted to kind of do a screen recording here of me going through the process just to show everyone, because I think people will find it very fascinating. So obviously we've got the Pixelbook here, and I'm gonna shoot a screen recording in the video here so you can check that out, kind of see as I go along what's going on here, and see what happens. Before we go any further here, I had the Pixel 2 XL. And I say had, but really I still have it. What we've got going on here, if you've been following the channel, is I accidentally dropped this not too long ago and I cracked the screen. And it's just hard for me to use a device like this. I mean, we use our smartphones 24/7, and to see this all the time, it's just really hard to deal with. And I'm gonna try and post a link of that video in this video somewhere, and probably drop it in the description below so you can check it out, see what happens with a real life drop test with a Pixel device, and again, specifically the Pixel 2 XL. Now, the other bad thing about having a device with a cracked screen is if you have something like a Google Daydream View VR headset, and you place that in here and you have that cracked screen, it's just gonna ruin the experience completely. I liked using this for Netflix specifically and some games, and now that I have that cracked screen, there is a problem there. So here we are at the Google store, and I'm actually on the Pixel 3 page here, as you can see, and we have the two choices. We've got the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL, and I can already tell you, because I've had the Pixel 2 XL, I'm going with the 3 XL just because of screen size. So that's just gonna be a giveaway right there. You've got the Pixel 3 has the 5.5 display, and the Pixel 3 XL has the 6.3. So that's what we're looking at here. And I'm on Project Fi, so we're gonna go with Project Fi. We're gonna click that. And then we have these different color options. We've got just black, clearly white, and then not pink. Obviously, I'm gonna skip the not pink. And I have like this charcoal or black color here for the Pixel 2 XL right there. And I'm going to be obviously going with just black, so we'll select that. And then we're gonna choose a storage option. Now for me, with the Pixel 2 XL, I've had 64 gigs of storage. And recently I did get to a point where I was completely full, and I have to really go through my apps and delete things again, because I really don't want to have to go to the 128. As you can see, that tax on an extra $100. You're looking at a phone that is $1,000, which is just crazy. So we're sitting here, and I really have to think about this because this is a tough choice. I hate to say it, but I want to play it safe this time. When I did the 64, I knew it could possibly be a problem, but I figured everything would be in the cloud, I would be okay. But I do YouTube videos, and it would be nice to have the extra 64 gigs of storage on top of the standard 64, so the 128. So I hate to say it, but I'm gonna go with the 128 there. And then there is the option to trade in the phone, and you can get the preferred care too. But I'm gonna skip that. I wanna keep the Pixel 2 XL because I wanna do a comparison, and I still wanna run this because I still wanna make videos about the 2 XL too as we move along here, see how that's gonna compare to the 3 XL, differences as time goes on, when they stop supporting the 2 XL, all that kind of stuff. So we're not gonna mess with anything here. We're gonna click next. They do a monthly payment plan if you have Google Store financing, which is what I have, and you're looking at about $41 a month. And you can pay more than that, obviously. So we're gonna go ahead and add that to the cart. And then, of course, they're gonna hit you with all these additional accessories you can get. This kind of feels something like what Apple would do. Let's see what some of the things are here. We got the Pixel stand, which I do eventually want to get that. I'm gonna hold off though, because as you can see, the Pixel stand is only available in clearly white. And I kind of want to wait, see if they get another option like just black or charcoal or some kind of gray black color, because that's what I like. Obviously wearing lots of gray here. Then you got the Google Pixel Buds. I'm not really concerned about those at all. And then you've got the Moshi USB-C digital audio adapter with charging. I'm not worried about any of this stuff here, and it looks like that's it. So we'll go to the cart here. Now, as you can see, we can scroll down here and we're offered more things. You may also be into all these things because you got to plug all these things. So we've got some cases here, which I am interested in. Let's check out this Tech 21 Evo check case for Google Pixel 3. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Protects drop after drop, designed to protect from up to 12 feet drop after drop, ultra thin. And what I'm concerned about here is, if we get a case, if it's going to work with the wireless charging. That's what I'm wondering here. So we've got the Google Pixel 3 case, and these are nice. They've got like a fabric kind of design to them. But what I'm worried about is, obviously, as you can see, these are tight knit. Now my phones, I like to put Velcro on the back of them because I like to mount them to surfaces. So I don't think I could necessarily go with a fabric case like this. It is very beautiful, very nice case, but Velcro sticking to it doesn't really work all that well. So we're gonna skip on that. Then we've got the OtterBox Defender Series screenless case. And I tell you what, after dropping the Pixel 2 XL, I got this cheap case here. I want to say it was maybe 10 to 20 bucks, and it was a Spigen case. And it looks nice, but I think because I went so cheap, that's kind of why the screen cracked. So I am thinking I'm gonna have to go with the OtterBox, and basically I have to do it because I use this phone for work too, take a lot of pictures, it may get dropped a lot, that kind of thing too. So I'm thinking that's why we're going to want to go with this. So I'll put that in there too. We're gonna pre-order that. Now the channel, all this stuff that I buy, let me just say, this channel is not doing like so awesome that this is all easy stuff for me to buy. I buy all this stuff because I want to share it with people. So if you can, I'm just gonna say it, hit the subscribe button, drop a like, support the channel, let other people know about this channel who are interested in it, because it would really help me out. I do this for fun. I'm not sponsored by Google or any of these manufacturers, OtterBox, none of them. This is just something I enjoy doing. I enjoy doing these videos. So we're gonna do a black case here. Look at that, $1,058.90. That's just crazy. That's nuts. So anyways, I'm going to hit that checkout box, but I can't do it on the screen recording here because I've got a lot of personal information, but I am promising you I am hitting that checkout box. We are going to do this. We are pre-ordering these things, and yeah, that's what's happening. So that is pretty much it for this video today. If you enjoyed it, make sure you hit the like button. Also, if you have any questions or comments, drop those below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, I do want to say questions and comments, and specifically feedback, are great because they help direct the channel. And I just want to let people know I truly appreciate you taking the time to leave a comment and also leave a like and subscribe, all that stuff. And with that being said, if you can, Just like I said earlier, this is all just stuff I'm interested in. It would mean a lot if you could hit that subscribe button. It'll support the channel. It'll let people know that this channel is actually kind of cool and more people watch, and that in itself will help support the channel. So not only when you do that are you supporting the channel, you're getting other people on board as well. So now I just gotta hit that checkout button. But until next time, Leon checking out.